The content shown in this video should be considered for entertainment purposes only. The actions and information that follow are fictional and/or reenactments. Do not try this.
What's good with it, fam? I'm glad y'all back checking out the video. I want to apologize. I ain't been on here to post for y'all in a minute. You know, they hit me with the YouTube flag. Somebody said I was giving away the game for the low, too cheap, or just giving y'all too much information for free. So they had it where I couldn't post for like almost a month. But I'm back. You know, we're going to do things a little different this go round. But ain't nothing changed. I'm still giving away the Bible for free. I got the Zombie Deck ebook. Y'all go check that out. You know what I'm saying? I got all my links in the description. So you know who you want to talk to. You hit my links. You know what I'm saying? You can hit me on the website, leave a message, leave your contact information so I can hit you back. You know, hit the Instagram, the Facebook, the Telly. Either one of them I can get direct to you, but hit the links in the description so you know you're talking to me and not talking to somebody else. But this video right here, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get an apartment, a condo, or a crib. A lot of people been asking me how to do these certain things with your profile. So I'm gonna show y'all what you would do if you was trying to get you a nice profile and you know you didn't want to pay that kind of big deposit. You want to get straight to it. I'm going to show y'all a couple of sites that you can use that's real friendly with the profiles, and they'll let you come right in, slide through, set up shop, do your business. Let's go and check out the video. What's good with it, YouTube, man? Y'all back with another video. Once again, man, let me apologize saying, hey, I'm sorry about the wait, but we back at it. I'm going to try to drop y'all a lot of content. I got some new channels coming out just because I don't know what's gonna happen with this channel or my other 3 channels. But make sure y'all like and subscribe to this channel. Check out my Swipe Gang channel, my Swipe Gang 00 channel. Follow me on Instagram, Telegram, stuff like that. But a lot of y'all been asking questions about how to get apartments, how to get the phones, how to get cars with your profile, things in that nature. And a lot of mistakes I've been hearing or seeing is your profile is not structured correctly. And what I mean by structured correctly, I'd be like, what's wrong with my profile? You don't have any primaries on it. You don't have a score. And don't get me wrong, it's some profiles that can get apartments and cars and phones without those things. But 90% of the time when you do it that way, they're going to ask for a high deposit, multiple deposit, things in that nature. So what you want to do is, first off, before you do anything, you want to make sure that your profile is structured correctly. What I mean by structured correctly is you at least want 2 primaries on there. You can get self, and I've been here like, hey, self has been kicking me off. It's been kicking people off. It's been shutting your accounts down. And that's true. I done seen it happen a lot of times. But if you are able to get in self, soon as you get in self, make a payment and pay the first month. And if they happen to kick you out after you make that first month payment, they're going to kick you out, give your money back, and report that loan is paid off if they let you make that first month payment. So as soon as you pay the $9 admission fee, you know what I'm saying, go and pay that same day, pay the first payment so you can get that $9 and the payment in there. So when they hit you, you have a full amount paid off. When they kick you out, they're going to report the loan is paid off. You know what I'm saying, even though they kick you out, you know what I'm saying. So that's something you can do too, that a lot of people been doing that I know that's been working for them. But if you can't get in self, you know what I'm saying, you can get 2 secure cards, you know what I'm saying, Capital One and Discover. At the same time, you can use these 2 secure cards to pay for the deposit of the apartment, the application fee of the apartment, you know, things of that nature in the apartment to make everything run smoothly. So first thing you want to do is, like I say, make sure you got at least 2 primaries, on that account. You can have an AU on there too. What I would do if I was setting up a profile, I would have 2 primaries and like a rental primary too. It was my third one. It'd be like 2 secure cards and like rent pay, or boom pay, kickoff, rent reporters, things of that nature, just to make sure. And if you want to be on the safe side, you can register your CPN with the IRS. And if you don't know how to register your CPN with the IRS, you can get the CPN Bible, which I give away for free, and read down the instructions, and it tells you what you need to meaning to register your CPN with the IRS. It's basically, when you do it, it's just giving your CPN an EIN number. And if you don't know that information, if I'm going over your head, or you be like, oh, you lost me, bro, you can just get the Bible, read, or go back through some of my other videos, read, catch up. But back on this video, how to get apartments. So I'm showing you a couple of sites that's profile friendly that you can go to if your profile is structured correctly, and they love giving apartments and homes, the profile. So the first one I would tell you can do your research on is Rent Progress. It's this site right here. It's in different states. Go there, check it out, see if they got a house you like. They got a lot of nice houses, and check them out, see if they got something you like. The next one I would tell you to go to is America Homes for Rent. They have more nice houses that you can check out in your city. I don't know what city you're in, but in my city, we have both of these, and they have nice houses at nice prices. And like I say, they're very profile friendly. The next one would be right here, Main Street. Once again, it's just like the rest of them. They're very profile friendly. Pick out you something nice. Make sure your profile is set up correctly. Get the place, and do your business. Take care of your family. Get out whatever you're in. And the last one will be Rent Cafe. It's another nice website that has apartments, studios, condos, houses that you can get if you're having problem getting you a place to live, getting a roof over your head, things of that nature. A lot of people who hit me up, hey bro, I need a house. Your background might be a little bit messed up, and right now you're just trying to get you and your family a roof over your head, and I totally understand that. So what I would tell you to do is get your profile. Make sure your profile is structured correctly. Get your profile, do your public records, put you 2 primaries on there. You can put self and a secure card. You can put self and kickoff, and a rent reporters on there. You can put kickoff and a secure card and rent reporters on there. You can put any combination that suits you the best. But for you to have a cool running, just to have these 2 primaries and an AU, or just have 3 primaries and make the third one be a rental primary. Because there's nothing better than going, when you go in an apartment place and they look at your profile and they see you got 5 years, 2 years, or whatever rent reporter you use, a good rental history on that profile. It just makes it run that much smoother. And to be on the safe side, if you want to, you can register with the IRS, just so when you go in there, you'll know everything straight. And another thing you need to have when you apply for apartment, cars, the cell phones, is you need an ID. you need some form of identification with you. You know what I'm saying? There's many ways to get you one. You can call the DMV, say you lost it. There's just many different ways to get your ID if you don't have ID. You can hit me on Telegram. I can guide you in a couple of directions on way to get you one. But you do need ID when you're going to get a place to live or get you a car or a cell phone. So if you hit me up and you saying, hey, I'm trying to do all this and you don't got ID, you know what I'm saying? You out of luck, man. You really out of luck. And with everybody trying to do the same thing, is getting stricter and stricter. Like, the cat is out the bag. Everybody on it. Everybody trying to manipulate it. They trying to do it. Everybody think they gurus at it. You know what I'm saying? I tell you, be who you want to be. But if you want it to run smoothly, you're going to have to make sure you got your profile set up properly and you got all the files in the right places. It's just like any other thing. To win the game, you got to know how the game works and you got to know how to play it. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to hold y'all much up tonight. I appreciate y'all coming, checking me out. Excuse me, see the Telegram going off. And if you hit me on Telegram and I don't reply back, don't take it personally. Don't, it ain't I skipped over you or I'm ignoring you. It's just I'm getting hundreds of messages a day and I try to speak to everybody, give everybody some free game, help everybody out. I'm doing my best, to give everybody game so everybody can elevate to the next level. Once again, get the Bible. It's for free. Watch the video. I'll put the link in the description. The Bible is free. Free. All you gotta do, watch the video, follow the steps, like, share, subscribe. You got the book for free. If you don't want to do those steps, then you can hit the website and pay for it. But why pay for it when it's free? You know what I'm saying? Like 90% of people hit me like, bro, I don't got no money. Go watch the video, get the book. It's free. You know what I'm saying? So y'all enjoy the night. Once again, my channel is for entertainment, education purpose only. Make sure be on the lookout for my new book. I'm about to drop Zombie Debt. I got some more things coming. I got another channel coming. I'm about to show you guys where I'm going to be going a little bit more detail. Because I see a lot of people need a lot of help from the beginning. And I'm going to try to be able to go on that channel and say some things that I normally wouldn't say on this channel. So, hey, man, y'all have a good one. Check out my next video. I'm out.
Yeah, what it do? Yeah, you know what it is? Yeah, MJ, disaster. Woo. I'm so dope when I step up in it. Damn food collection clothes smelling just like spinach. I guess